Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks. A couple of things today. We're going to have a go at picking Cheapskate by Washington State Picker. It's a quick set. Okay, I thought it did work. Okay, so it's maybe not actually working at the moment. We're going to see if we can get it picked with this little short hook that I made. This olive wood handle, brass pins, Lawlock steels 0.5 or 20 thousandths, 301, full tang with brass pins. So anyway, that's enough pick one. Well, unless you want any more. Hang on. Ooh, lovely. Yeah, anyway, back to the job in hand. Let's see if we can get into this. So, light tension. Find the binder. Gone into a bit of a false set off of number 3. Bit of counter on number 2. Number 2 clicked nicely. Number 1 still springing. I thought number 3 was going to go a bit more. Get on number 4, bit of counter on number 4, and we're in. So, see, Wes Picks, magic wands. Okay, we'll see if we can get this gutted a little bit quickly. If I can find my, there's a pair of tweezers. Okay, we won't lock it up because apparently that key didn't work. So let's see if we can get this clip off. Ah, it's one of them fucking nasty clips. It's got the... okay, we might well get it. Yeah, it's one of those with the horrible sort of trident sort of head on it. There's bung a shim in there. God, I thought I had everything sorted just now. What have I done? The shim. Here's a shim. And pins are to me. I think it might be this massive. Nope, not that one. Okay, well that kind of worked, didn't it? Turn the tray around the right way. So we've got, well, I can't see any mods to the core at the moment, so pin number 1, really nice spool. Pin number 2, really deep spool. 3, serrated, sort of bullet top and bottom. Serrated. Standard. Okay, let's get the shim out. This follower is a little bit too small. Okay, I'll show you the pins in a minute because I've got a little bit more that I want to do after the gutting. There's very nice pins in here. Standard in 4, standard in 5. So, no mods to the Bible. I'll show you these pins a bit quickly. Very nice pins. Turn that up the other way. And that one. So yeah, very nice homemade pins there from the Washington State Picker. Right, on to a couple of thank yous really. I think last week, remember, I got sent this Lockwood Fire Brigade lock with no key. Well, unbeknown to me, the Southampton Lock Picking Club sent me a little package saying, try this. It's a Lockwood Fire Service key. 003 key red padlock. And I now, if I can get the key in, put the key in the right way, I now have a fully working Fire Brigade Lockwood. So, Southampton Lock Picking Club, you're amazing. I really didn't expect that, and I am so chuffed to have a key for this beautiful little padlock from Todd Meng in Australia. Secondly, I lent Andy Law from Law Lock Tools my multi-pick dimple flags. When he sent them back, he sent me this fantastic bunch of 0.5 301 to make some picks out of. Absolutely brilliant. He sent me a couple of picks. I think that's the gem in, not sure if that's 0.6, that one. And then he sent me a 0.5 medium hook, which, if that wasn't enough, he then sent me two of his 2mm pry bars, which are absolutely fantastic. And some of the, well, actually I've been using them on the bottom of the keyway as well. But on some of the, like the wider keyways, like some of the quick sets and a few others, these are absolutely brilliant. And if that wasn't enough, he sent me some, I think these are from the Valerian set. Really good selection of profiles. They obviously just come off the laser, so they weren't cleaned up or anything. I'm not sure if they're even, they might even be seconds. So all I've done on some of them is just put them on my soft wheel, take the edges off, and they are perfectly serviceable, fantastic picks. I've just put a little shrink wrap handle on this one. I think this is one of Tepene's profiles. Fantastic picks. The steel is just so strong. And look at this, just a fantastic little profile. Fantastic for Euros. Really good. So Andy Law, you are such a generous guy. I really do appreciate that. It's fantastic, and keep on producing your amazing picks, because the recognition you're getting for them is very well deserved. And of course, this was made out of some of Andy's 301. This one was some of Andy's 301. I can't think where the others. Oh, I think this one. Yeah, this one was made out of Andy's 301, my yin and yang, sort of loosely based pick. So as you can see, I've actually made a few more and sent a few more out. So and there's this one. That's another one from Andy's Steel, based on the style of Tepene, with obviously Tepene's profile on the end. It's made in tiger wood, and it's got his little wildcat in the handle. So anyway, sorry about the long video, fucking nearly 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed that. Once again, thank you so much, Andy Law from Law Lock Tools and Southampton Lock Picking Club. You're just amazing people. Thank you very much.